Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top New Collection Mini Alloy Dump Truck Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Remote Control Construction Vehicles toy set includes excavator, crane, cement mixer, and dump truck for realistic building play. Electric RC trucks feature easy controls, durable design, and immersive functions. Perfect for kids who love engineering vehicles, imaginative construction scenes, and interactive indoor or outdoor play.
Number 3.
One hour 64 minutes Mini Alloy Dump Truck Remote Control Car features detailed engineering design with Bluetooth control. Compact desktop size with durable metal body offers fun operation and realistic movement. Perfect as a boy's toy, collectible model, or interactive desk decoration for play and display.
Number 2.
New in stock Dbgt 1 hour 64 minutes Hino Super Dolphin Great Eagle Dump Truck features premium alloy die-cast construction with fine details. Limited edition collectible model perfect as desk ornament or custom display. Ideal toy gift for kids and a must-have for truck and die-cast enthusiasts.
Number 1.
Specifications: high concerned chemical, none, is electric, no battery, model number, 760-42, scale, 150, plastic type, ABS, type, truck, material, plastic, origin, mainland China, recommend age, 14Y, 4-6Y, 7-12Y, 6-12Y, features, die-cast.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.